My name is Alison Jenkins and I'm a Naturalisation and Training Lead in charge for Wood Group PSN. The waste management facilities that we have here in Comey is very, very unique. There is no other Wood Group PSN project that actually delivers waste management facility and a water treatment plant. This was specifically asked for under the maintenance contract, and it's a big, big achievement that we've actually been able to not only manage it, but bring it from a very, very low level to a very high level and educate all the people to actually run the project. We now currently have national people in expat positions running this. When I first arrived here, the amount of waste that was being delivered into the waste management facility on a daily basis was absolutely enormous, and it was not segregated at all, which made the problem 10 times worse. Going back to the source, going back to the subcontractors, to the riggers, onto the oil rigs, and explaining to them, training them to segregate everything at source would make it a lot easier for us to handle in the waste management facility. In the landfill site, obviously all the waste that's being produced within the project is brought there. And we must try and reuse as much material as possible. So in conjunction with the villagers, we've come up with a process plan that we would deliver waste, really good wood waste, out to their villages on a daily basis. So the waste that we deliver to the villagers, they can either reuse themselves as firewood, or they can use it to build tables or chairs, and then they actually sell them in the marketplace. And we have a turnover every month of different villages around the actual oil project that we deliver to. With the food waste that we have coming out of our restaurants, and any vegetation that we have, any trees that have been cut back, or the grasses that have been cut, we send that to a local company who make compost for us, and then we in turn buy that back and use the compost on the project. When it comes to human waste, we treat that in the water treatment plant, and we put it through aeration ponds. We add some chemicals to it, and when it is past the WHO guidelines, we would then leach it out into the local fields around the OFDA. This is tested on a daily basis, but also not only do we treat sewage on this site, we do potable water. Now we have our own deep wells here, and we have to manage those wells. And what we did initially was we looked at the quality of the water that we can actually produce coming out of here and compared it to the potable water that we are actually drinking out of the bottles. Our quality was better. So, why should we buy this water in and drink it when we can guarantee the water? Eventually, we have reduced the water consumption of bottles from 6 to 8 units a day down to 2. And that's purely because of the work that we've done here and education. Because the quality of the water has been right since day one. It's just the mindset of people. And we've had no environmental non-conformances regarding our drinkable potable water. So I'm happy with that. The opportunities and the experiences, the self-satisfaction I'm getting from working on this project is absolutely amazing. Every day I learn new things. And this is why I want to be working for Wood Group PSN.